warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ersyangreni. Here I will present the material on efforts to maintain heart health by doing cardio exercise. In everyday life, we know the name of a disease harmful to our health. One example is heart disease. Heart disease is the number one deadly disease in the world and frequently suffered by all cycles of society. Therefore, start caring about heart health from an early age because prevention is better than cure. By working to change healthier lifestyle and exercising regularly, we can prevent heart disease. One exercise that is beneficial for heart health is cardio exercise. Coronary heart disease (CHD), which is also called coronary artery disease, is a disease in which the coronary arteries in the heart, which supply oxygen and nutrients to the heart muscle, are inadequate in carrying out their normal function. There are several main causes of heart disease, including hypertension, cholesterol, diabetes mellitus, and smoking. Kaplan and Stamler, 1983, states that of the four risk factors, hypertension is the strongest contributor to stroke and heart failure. However, heart disease can be prevented by adopting a healthy lifestyle, especially by exercise diligence. One of them is by exercising cardio or high-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training is a form of cardio that uses a combination of high-intensity training with moderate or low intensity at certain intervals and is an aerobic exercise to burn calories and increase strength, endurance, cardio system, lung capacity, and physical fitness. Some recommended cardio exercise are walking, running, swimming, frog jumping, cycling, skiing, and dancing. If you rarely exercise, you should start exercise cardio for 20 to 30 minutes with a frequency of 3 to 4 times a week. Cardio exercise helps your heart get stronger. A strong heart can pump blood around the body more efficiently. This makes the heart not have to work as hard as it usually does. A strong heartbeat can reduce the risk of high blood pressure. Fitness is closely related to cardiovascular endurance. The amount of individual physical fitness can be measured from the amount of movement ability that is performed. The ability to move is the result of the body's ability to produce energy that comes from energy or what is called metabolism and the oxygen supply that the muscle get to contract. The body's ability to produce energy occurs through anaerobic mechanism without using O2 and anaerobic mechanism using O2. The heavier the intention of the movement, the greater the oxygen demand in the body. The need for oxygen in the body due to the intention of the movement causes the body to compensate with an increase in the cardiovascular system, namely an increase in heart rate, dilation of coronary arteries, an increase in stroke volume, and an increase in the strength of heart contraction. This results in an increase in stroke volume. Clinically, in CHD patients who respond to medication, the benefit of physical activity far outweighs the risk. Physical activity is just as effective as medication to prevent secondary complications. Activity or exercise with mild to moderate intensity has many benefits to people with coronary heart disease, preventing further narrowing of blood vessels, preventing blood clots, maintaining a normal heart rhythm. This can reduce the burden on the heart during rest and exercise, which can reduce the risk of death. People with newly diagnosed heart disease who follow an exercise program have a tendency to improve their quality of life and be able to return to work faster than those who do not follow an exercise program. These sufferers will be more confident, have lower stress level, and have less anxiety. For this reason, cardio exercise is suitable for both CHD and not CHD sufferers to maintain physical health, especially the heart. To my explosion of the materials. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.